If you thought TikTok was just for dancing and lip syncing, think again. Hi everyone, I'm Pedro, a member of the marketing team at Zebracat. In just 2 months, we generated more than 5,000 leads without spending $1 on advertising. In this video, I'm going to show you how we did it using TikTok organic marketing. As a small startup, we had limited resources and needed to find a cost-effective way to drive traffic to our video generation platform. We haven't launched the product yet, but we are in need of beta testers who can use it and provide us with feedback. So we created a waitlist form on our website to collect email addresses of marketers who were interested in our product. At first, we were uncertain about which social media platform would be the most effective for us. However, we chose to experiment with TikTok, as it is a video-based platform that has the potential to quickly connect us to the desired audience. During our first month, we produced and published 14 videos, but unfortunately none of them performed. But we weren't disappointed. We tested a different range of videos, from fun and trendy to AppGut templates, from educational to explainer videos. These are the categories of the videos that we tested. First, fun videos, videos using trend music, educational videos, and last but not least, practical videos. Let's go to the first category. TikTok is an entertainment application, so let's start with the first category, fun videos. We published over 15 fun videos, and initially thought that they were a success because they received at least 1,000 views compared to our other videos, which only received 300 to 600 views. In our video, the success of our videos is directly tied to the content. When we added trending music to an unrelated script, it didn't contribute much to the overall impact. We believed that our educational videos would be successful. Unfortunately, they did not perform as well as we had hoped. We produced approximately 10 videos that aim to capture the audience's attention by delving into intriguing topics such as the secrets of Mr. Beast and Ryanair. Nonetheless, we remain optimistic and are determined to keep searching for the right content and approach to make our educational videos more effective. This one stands out from the rest so far. All our viral videos fall into this category. By combining viral music showcasing a product, we were able to achieve better results. As you can see, each video that addressed marketers' pain points and explained how Zebracat AI can help solve their problems performed well. At first, we thought it would be difficult to find marketers and CEOs on TikTok. However, one of our videos went viral for the first time and we started to include job positions in our waitlist form. We were surprised by how many real people we found. When our followers were under 1,000 and we couldn't add a link to our bio, we had to ask people to directly enter our website by typing in the address. As soon as we passed 1,000 followers and added a link to our TikTok bio, our lead generation process became 3 times faster. You can see our lead generation process in this chart. There you have it. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you haven't joined our waitlist form, be sure to check the link in the description below. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.